Okay, this is power to a power. So that means, remember that there are exponents of 1 there. So I multiply my exponents because it's a power to a power. So that'll get me 4 to the 5th, x to the 5th, y to the 15th. So that's going to get me 2024, x to the 5th, y to the 15th. Next one. Remember, again, this is power to a power. So I multiply my exponents. That'll get me 3 to the 4th over 5 to the 4th. Oops, sorry about that. That would get me 81 over 625. Next one. Again, power to a power. So I would multiply my exponents. This is not power to a power. It has the same base. There it is multiplication right here, so I would add my exponents. So I get x to the 10th. Okay. This one, my bases are the same. It's division right here. So I subtract my exponents. Okay, the -9 has nothing to combine with. X to the 4th can't do anything, but this says take me to the denominator and make my exponent positive. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -6 to the 5th power. That would be -6 to the 5th power is 7,776. Those of you that are confused at how I knew that that was negative right off, remember that if I have these two, that becomes a positive. These two, this becomes a positive. I have 1 left, so it means it's going to be a negative. Okay, 6 does not go into 15 evenly, but 3 goes into both of those, so 2 over 5. Then I have x to the 4 minus -2, y to the -4 minus 1. So 2/5, x to the 6th, y to the -5. Can't have a negative exponent, so this will move down to the denominator. So I get 2x to the 6th over 5y to the 5th. Okay. On this one, negative exponent, move it to the numerator. Just move it and make it positive. So it was in the denominator, now we move it up to the numerator. So I get 2 to the 4th, and that's going to be 16. This one, 6 does go into 12 evenly, so that is not going to be 6, it's going to be 2. 3 minus 3, remember there's a 1 there, so 1 minus 6, and 4 minus 0. So 2 to the k 0, m to the -5, and p to the 4th. So this will go to the denominator, and this becomes 1. So I have 2 p to the 4th over m to the 5th. And power raised to a power, so I multiply exponents. I get 3 to the 6th, 5 to the 8th, and I don't need to multiply that out because the exponent is higher than 5. Down here, when I'm looking at this, what is the 6 considered? It is considered the base. -7 is considered the exponent, and the whole thing is considered the power. The base on this is 2. The exponent on this is 4. The power is, and this would be -16. The base on this is -2. The exponent on this is 4. The power on this is -2 in parentheses to the 4th, and that would be a +16.